What is one challenging experience I have overcome in the past year?
One challenging experience I overcome in the past years was adjusting to new responsibilities that pushed me out of my comfort zone. At first, I felt overwhelmed and unsure if I could handle everything, but I learned to manage my time better, ask for help when I needed it, and stay persistent. That challenge taught me resilience and showed me that I'm capable more than I thought.
What personal qualities or strategies help me get through it?
The personal qualities that helped me get through it were my perseverance and willingness to adapt. I stayed determined even when things were difficult, and I adjusted my approach instead of giving up. I also used strategies like setting small goals, managing my time more effectively, and seeking advice from others. This helped me stay focused and eventually succeed.
What did I learn about myself during that time?
During that time, I learned that I am stronger and more capable than I often gave myself credit for. I realized that challenges are not just obstacles but opportunities to grow. I also discovered that I can stay calm under pressure, adapt to change, and keep moving forward as long as I stayed focused and believed in myself.
What are the current sources of stress in my life?
My current sources of stress include balancing my responsibilities with my personal goals. Sometimes I feel pressures to meet expectations in school and at home while also trying to prepare for my future. Managing time and staying motivated can be difficult, but I'm learning to handle it step by step.
What support or strategies might help me cope better?
To cope better, I think having a strong support system from my family and peers would help me feel less alone in my challenges. At the same time, I can use strategies like organizing my schedule, taking breaks when I felt overwhelmed, and reminding myself to focus on progress instead of pressure.